Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So on the US dollar yen, I got my Fibonacci retracement on just the last impulsive move down because if the market's going to continue to trend, every pullback should be just a pullback to the last wave. Price made a counter trend move, it made a correction to that counter trend move, it made another counter trend move, three waves up to a Fibonacci level, and golfing move to the downside. This is exactly what I talk about every single day in my videos. Three waves up, trend is down on every single time frame basically, except for the weekly. Definitely looking for sorts. Now, I would much prefer to see this make a pullback to the whole move down, not just the last wave down. I would like to see this actually go up and make a more proper pullback like that. Whether or not it's going to, I have no idea. I think that the strategy right now is to be already short from right here, waiting for an exit, or the strategy is to be waiting for another pullback and another three-way pullback, another Fibonacci bounce for another entry to go short. Like I said, I would actually like to see this go up and give me a break of structure. The first thing I would do is on my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down. Whether or not it's going to do that, it definitely may not. And this right here looks like the potential end of a correction. And if it is the end of a correction, it may very likely just keep on going down. So for me personally, I'm definitely waiting for sorts at the end of three-way pullbacks still. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.